Here at Runners Magazine Table 7, we had 7 people give their initial thoughts on Mountain Dew's new morning energy drink, Kickstart. We asked them questions like, do you feel energized or rejuvenated? How is the taste? Do you think this drink is good for you? And how did it make you feel? This was their response. Do you feel energized, rejuvenated, refreshed?
Yes, I definitely feel a little bit more energized. It's just like what soda would do to you. Like, it makes you...
The carbonation?
Yes.
Does it taste good at least?
Yeah. Well, it tastes like soda.
Do you feel
So
like...
what do you think soda tastes like? Is it like good,
Carbonated, sugary, bad for you, definitely bad for you.
bad? Definitely bad for you. So you feel like this would have some sort of side effect?
It just tastes artificial.
How do you feel?
It has a bitter taste to it. Like it's a knockoff Hawaiian Punch.
Okay, so how do you feel? Rejuvenated or crappy?
Use a word.
Or bad? Good or bad?
To be fair, I just drank like a rock star earlier.
Makes you rejuvenated, makes you more energized. No. If you drank more and like lasted over a period of time, do you think it would help you?
No, I don't think so.
Do you feel like it's bad for you? Like unhealthy for you?
It tastes really sugary. Probably.
I like the taste of it. It tastes like Hawaiian Punch and it just has bubbles. So, but I don't really feel energized or anything. It just feels like any other soda.
Yeah, maybe with like a full can.
Okay.
We couldn't afford a full
We
can.
can't afford a full can for everyone. Do you feel like it's unhealthy for you?
I feel like it's really unhealthy.
Do you feel like there
Tastes like a lot of sugar.
any side
I
effects
feel
or
like
anything?
it's okay, but you definitely want it with food.
Okay.
Yeah, it kind of tastes like Hawaiian Punch a little bit.
Do you feel a little more energized than before? At all?
I feel like after a while I will.
Okay.
It's alright.
Is it
I don't
rejuvenating?
feel like energized.
Do you feel like after a long period of time that it would work?
Maybe.
Now you decide, is this drink a kickstart or a no start?